Okay, so by the way, guys, the assets that we will be using here, we will drop it, on the tutorial channel. All the
Yeah,
files
sure
that
thing.
we will be using. Yeah. Uh, Mike, can you give some context on what we will be doing for this tutorial?
Yeah. So this tutorial is basically lot word. So we're going to be using a short story to create a 3D world. All right. So in this story is about a village called Aruwa and a sun god that they worship. Okay, so the village has been living in peace until a dark force attacked the heavens and dethroned the sun god, sent him crashing down to earth. Yeah, so and sent him crashing back to earth, and then the minions of this dark force took over earth and yeah, terrorize the village. So the mission of the player is to find the sun god on earth, avoid the minions, and then take the sun god back to the temple for the sun god, which is how the player will be able to save the world from this dark force. So I'm going to also drop the law in the chat here very soon, so we can all understand better what we're going to be building. Okay.
Okay, so we can start. By the way,
So
we will
yeah,
also be doing a Blender and Claude thing. So
exactly.
we will do that right after the tutorial. So for now, for those who are not using Claude and Blender, we will drop
So
the assets.
Marvin,
Yeah.
I think it's better we show them how to do it.
Okay.
It's not going to take it's not going to take a lot of time. Just few minutes, I think.
Okay. Okay. So let me just reshare my screen.
Yeah. So basically, the idea is that you create your story. You have your short story. You can give that short story to Claude, and Claude will be able to create 3D assets for you through Blender. So first of all, you need to connect Claude to Blender, and then you give Claude your short story, your law basically, and you should be able to create 3D assets, yeah, for you based on that story you gave it. So we also created a skill, a Claude skill, so that you can be able to create 3D, so that your Claude can be able to create 3D assets that are compatible with anitya. Yeah, so we're going to drop everything in the tutorial channel after this tutorial, both the skill and the assets and yeah, everything basically, both the prompts also is going to be dropped there.
Yeah, I think the easiest way to do is we will be dropping the skill and what do you call this? The PY file, if I'm not
Yeah,
mistaken.
so yeah, so let me just explain that the py file is basically all the prompts for every asset combined together, so that just to make it faster for this tutorial process, so we can be able to give Claude just a single prompt and it can create all the assets we want. But if you are going to go the other way, the, the more a little bit more harder way is that you give it your law, your short story, and then Claude Claude will create each of these assets, but you have to guide Claude while creating those assets. You understand? But for this tutorial, we're going to give in Claude just a single master prompt, and it's going to create everything without us guiding it much.
Yeah.
So it's much
So
faster this way.
so the best thing that you can do is, for example, you are on Cloud Cowork, just prompt like just connect a folder. So just a quick context here. I put the two files, which is the skill and the py file, in one folder, so Claude can have an access on that folder. So choose folder on desktop. I named it tutorial for June for select folder.
Okay.
So once it is connected, okay, let's just wait for it to connect. Okay, so
Nice.
Claude says it contains two files, which is the Anitya asset creation skill and build fallen song.py. So what we can do is save the skill and do, I mean, before that, what's the contents of the two files. So it's better that you ask for it first before saving or doing anything. Maybe if you just recklessly uh install the skill,
Yeah, exactly.
your Claude cowork might
Yeah.
fuck you up. So better
Yeah, it's
ask
better to,
first.
yeah, to check everything. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so let's just wait for it. Okay, it's taking a while. Yeah, so here's what Claude says. Yeah, so the Anidia asset creation skill. So what can it do? It's like there's a certain rules. Can you explain it, Mike? The skill that you made,
Yeah.
Mike?
So it has a lot of moves in it that helps you to create assets that are compatible with Anita. So for instance, it will always create assets that are not more than three material counts each, and also not more than 5,000 poly counts each. Yeah, so basically that's and also there's some things with the lighting, like the emission and whatnot. Also animation. You also be able to create animation that are actually compatible with Anita, because Anita uses this transformation or transform animation only. Right. So yeah, basically that's it. It just has rules in it that guides your Claude when creating 3D assets in Blender.
Okay.
So
So the next thing that we can do is open your Blender, guys. So let's just delete these things, the cube, the camera, and everything. Just make it like plain. And before that, make sure that you save the skill. Save the skill first. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay. So save. Okay, so it was saved already. Then next is run it on Blender. Okay. Run run it on Blender using Anitya asset creation
so
skill.
yeah, say run the file, the build falling dot son file.
What?
Yeah, you are not specific in saying what you should run. Like I think you should be more specific. Like what tell Blender Claude what to run exactly. The file. That is the second file.
The second file? Okay. Because the
Yeah,
last
yeah,
prompt has a question already. So
yeah, exactly.
run the build colon son.py
Yeah,
on
exactly.
Blender and use Anitya creation skill. Anitya asset creation skill. Okay. So it will
Yeah, sure.
automatically create all the assets on Blender. Yeah, so right now we have a blank canvas here. Then let's wait for it to prompt all the assets.
I'm also going to drop. I'll be dropping a prompt here that you guys can use in the chat. So yeah, I'll drop the file also. So you guys can be building this stuff that we're doing right now. Okay.
By the way, if you are using Claude Cowork, once you save the skill, you can always use it as a guideline for the assets that you are creating that can be used on Anitya. like low poly assets, right, Mike?
I didn't get you. What you say?
Yeah, so the prompt is done. So the build is complete and all 14 files, I mean assets, are already exported. You don't need to export it again. So you just
So
need to find the
it was actually
folder where,
fast,
yeah. So these are the
faster
assets.
than I expected.
So you just need to move this.
Nice. So he exported it already, right?
Yeah. So in order for you to find where is it, so just okay, let me open it. File, local disk C, users, user, documents. So here it is, fallen son. Just copy the whole folder. Okay. Then I already copied it, so you just need to post it here inside all again. Okay. Then just upload it on Anitya and use the asset. Just drag and drop. Okay. So I'll be closing this and let's start with the world building. Okay, so the first thing that we will do is upload all the assets. Yeah, so just click the upload files, then open all of it, then upload. As you can see, the size of the files are super low, like under 100 KB, 150, I mean, under 150 KB, and the biggest size is 552 KB, which is super small when it comes to 3D assets. Okay, since we already uploaded it, here are all the assets. Okay. Yeah, so let's start building now. First, let's make the start floor bigger. Maybe we can do it like 0.5. Okay. Then first is the terrain. Okay. Sun Village terrain. Okay. See, I understand. Okay, so let's make the terrain a little bigger, like 1.2. Hey Mike, are you still there? I guess. Mike Rob. Let's enable the collision. Make sure that you always enable the collision because if you don't enable it, your character will just drop below the terrain. So the first thing that we will do is
Can you hear me now? Good shit.
yeah, did you rag?
Oh, but yeah, I was speaking. I was speaking, but I don't think anyone was hearing me.
Okay. So the first thing that we will do is drop the altar first. So let's just drop all the assets and let's just arrange it later. So as you can see, I named all the assets Sun, so I can easily find it since I uploaded a lot of assets on this account. Yeah, so let's just drop this one also. Let's build the altar first. As you can see, since we use the skill for the assets, we don't need to resize this anymore.
Yeah, yeah. Most of it will actually be at the right size,
Yeah.
and also the you also notice the origin. The origin is set at the center. Gucci, do you notice that? You
Yeah.
know the previous that previous tutorial, the
Yeah.
assets were far away from the origin,
You will
but
notice
now they're
that
actually
the
centered.
what do you call this gizmo?
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
You
it's
will
centered
notice
now.
that the
unlike
gizmo
before.
is like a little left or a little right, and it's not centered. But right now it's perfect. Yeah, so I think the
Yeah.
place of this altar is already good. And what we will do next is put the shrine. Let's put the shrine beside the altar. Don't forget to put the collision always, guys. Then let's just drop the huts. I think we have two huts, right, Mike? We have two different huts, if I'm not
No,
mistaken. Only one?
no, you have just one.
Okay.
Yeah, only
Yeah,
one. You
so
just duplicate it as
in
many
that
as
case, yeah,
you
let's just
want.
duplicate this. Okay, so let's just duplicate it again.
I think
Okay,
you should make your terrain a bit bigger.
okay.
I think it's too small.
So let's make it
Yeah,
1.8.
yeah,
Okay, so what we can do
yeah.
is,
And it would have been better if you put.
as for me, I do
Okay, yeah,
this,
grouping is right. All
group
right.
it and just duplicate it so we will get all the five in one duplicate, just to make it easy.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
so,
it would be nice if you can move them to the end of the terrain, not at the center.
okay.
No, we're going to see be putting our forest and the hollows at the other end.
Okay, so as you can see, we can move all of it in one.
Nice.
Okay, then what we can do is duplicate it, then just rotate this. I think this is fine, right, Mike? Mm.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay, what we can
But
do,
okay,
okay,
so where do you plan to put your forest now?
which one?
The forest and the
Okay,
minions. Where are you going to put it down?
so what we can do is, what we can do right now is drop the sanded tree. Same thing with the hut, just duplicate it and group it so it will be easy. Yeah, so let's duplicate it. Then we can add some, what do you call this, Mike? Broken branches.
Yeah, forest. Yeah, the forest pack,
Yeah.
the rocks and the logs, just to make it look more real.
Okay, let's just duplicate this also. I think we don't need to group this.
Yeah, you don't need to.
Yeah.
Not necessary.
Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, one more. Okay, yeah, I think that's enough. So we already have all the trees set up. Okay, so as for me, just I will still group it because I don't want a messy elements board. Yeah, just okay. All right. So what we will do next is
We still need to add some things to the village.
yeah,
Okay, so there's a broken cart and there's a fence.
let's add the fence
Yeah, the
first.
fence will just be leading the yeah, will be leading to the path making the path for the to the forest.
So just let's just rotate this. Uh, make it 90. Make it straight. Okay, so we just need to duplicate it. Okay, so I just hate tree and group it again, then so that it will be easy for me to duplicate it like by trees. As you can see, we can move. Oh, okay. Okay, I think it's all good now. Oh, what happened? Okay,
Nice, nice. Yeah,
then let's just duplicate this. Okay, I think that's enough. Then what we can do is group it again, then duplicate it. Oh wait, where's the duplicate? Okay, so duplicate. I think this is enough for the fence, right, Mike? Okay, collision is checked. What we can do next is add more things inside the village. So let's add some bonfire. I think what we can do is add it here randomly. It has an animation, so it will be looped and autoplay. I think this is just the fire. We need to add the bonfire base. So bonfire base, enable collision. Let's not add a collision on the flame. Okay, so then we can group it, then duplicate. duplicate. Let's put 4 bonfires here. Okay, so I think we're good with the bonfires. Now, what we can do is add the broken cart. Here's the broken cart. Let's just rotate it here. Let's enable the collision. Okay. By the way, we will be adding an agent here. So that agent will teach us what we will do, what will be the mission of this. What's the name of the main character again, Mike? Oh, Mike is rugging again. So next, we will be adding the hollows. So these hollows is like monsters. Excuse me. Yeah. So hollows. Let's just face it.
You can hear me now?
Yeah,
We
I
should.
can hear you now. Seems like you're rug, bro.
Uh, I don't know. My internet is really bad currently.
No problem. So the easiest thing that we can do here is enable the collision. We will be adding some components here.
Yeah, and it's better to add them before you start
Yeah,
duplicating.
so we can start
Makes your
duplicating
work
after.
much easier.
Yeah. So we can just put random hollows here, random place. So what we can do is add the component now. So we will
Yeah,
add
exactly.
a move rotate scale. Okay.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
always check if you are in the from or to state. So right now we are on the from state, and what we can do is click the two and just drag it on where they want the hollows go. So I want it to go on a straight
Exactly.
line across the trees. Then the speed, if you want a slower duration, just make it like 8 seconds, and it should be on loop, right, Mike?
Yeah,
And
exactly. Yeah.
ping pong
Loop.
animation, right? So it will be back and forth.
No, no ping block.
Okay. Oh, okay.
No,
The
no, no,
ping
no,
pong
no. Just leave it on
will
loop
just
only.
moonwalk. Will just moonwalk, right? The ping pong animation will
Yeah,
make the
exactly.
hollows
Yeah,
moonwalk
if it, yeah,
like
if
MJ.
it, yeah, if it's going backwards, it's going to be at the same space,
Yeah.
which is coming forward.
Yeah. So I
Yeah,
think there's no trigger on this, so it will be play on start, right?
exactly. Yeah,
So this is our from state, and this is our to state. So as you notice, the from and to. Okay, since we already have this with the component, we can duplicate this now. So
so
let's.
you still need to add more components. You need the sound
Oh, okay.
and
I forgot.
yeah, just adding sound and teleportation.
Yeah. So
You need sound
from
and teleportation.
so for now, let's just add the teleportation first. So the destiny will be just a random.
Any
We
of the
can pick
hots.
anything from the hat, right?
Pick any hot.
Okay, so let's just oh, since we group this. Okay, so let's just rename this to destination hut. So it will be easy for us to navigate where will be the destination of the teleport component. Destination
Yeah,
hut. Okay. Okay, so the destiny will be the destination hut. Let's check the visible collision so we will know the what do you call this, the size of the collision. So if you hit on this area or this range, you will get
Yeah.
teleported on that hut. So let's
Yeah.
resize it. Okay.
Yeah. Make it higher.
Okay.
A
So
bit higher.
oh, I think this is enough, right? Then
Yeah, it is.
okay. So
Wait, can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear
Oh
you.
no.
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Okay. All right. All right.
Okay, so we're
Yeah, sure.
done with the visible collision. So let's just add another component, which is this the spatial audio, right?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
So spatial audio, select, and I think we need to upload this first. I don't know if I already upload this. Oh yeah, we haven't uploaded this yet. Since we only did the assets from Blender, there's no sound effects, but Mike will provide the sound effects for you guys. So we will just upload.
Yeah, sure.
I think it's in. Oh wait, I need to unzip the file that you sent first. Sorry about that.
No problem, bro.
Yeah, so we will put it here. Okay, let's extract it. So the files get doubled. So we already have the sounds. So hollow sounds and hooting global. So we will use the hollow sounds for this. So let's upload it. Okay, so let's upload two now. So we won't be doing the upload later. By the way, where did you get this sound effects, Mike?
Yeah, from Pixabay.
Okay. So there we go. We already uploaded the sound file, so we just need to drag it here. It will be
Yeah.
on loop, right?
Put it on loop, yeah. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's hear it first. I don't know if we can hear it. Oh,
Yeah, it
yeah,
sounds like
that's the
zombie.
sound. Sounds like a zombie. Yeah, so don't forget to click the distance, right? So we will know how big is the
Yeah.
range on how you can hear the sound. So I think this is good. 10 is good, right? And it will be autoplay. Autoplayed. Okay. Or maybe we can lessen it, Mike. What do you think? Like 7? I think we can make it 7 or 8
Well,
or 8.
yeah,
We
yeah, 7 or 8 is okay.
okay. So all the components for the Halo asset is already there. So we can duplicate this now. Don't forget to always check if your move rotate scale is on the from state at the from state. So yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. So
So after duplicating, the only thing we need to do is to um update our move rotate skill,
yeah.
update the positions.
Yeah. So we will put a lot of halos in this forest. So just need to wait. Okay, so it's negative 90.
Yeah.
So now we will edit the move rotate scale since the asset is placed somewhere. So this is the from, and we just need to click 2. Oh, wait. 18, 24, 0, 20, 18. Okay, so negative 90. Okay. So let's just drag it across the forest. Yeah. All the settings are already good since we just duplicated it from the first copy. I mean from the original copy. Not a copy. It's original.
Oh.
Yeah, so don't forget to click from again. Then let's duplicate it again. Okay. So for this one, let's put it here. Just rotate 90. Then we just need to edit the to state. Again, you just need to drag it like here. Then don't forget to click
So what
from
you can also do is you can also put different duration, different speed for each of the hollows,
okay,
just to make it much
yeah,
more harder.
that would be nice. So let's just put 6 on this on the middle, and this one
Yeah.
let's put
Yeah. So some
5.
move slowly, some move more faster.
Yeah. So let's duplicate one more. So this one, let's make it 6.5. We can edit the this is the from state. Now we will do the to state. So let's just drag it here. Now don't forget to click the from state. Then I think one last halo for this. By the way, let's resize the terrain. Let's make it a little bigger since there will be no uh space for the god that will be lying on the floor.
Yeah. So Marvin, you can just stretch it out.
Yeah.
Click on the terrain, then stretch it out. So you don't have to scale it on all ASICs. You understand?
All assets.
No, I say you don't have to scale it on all ASICs. You can just use the gizmo and stretch it out.
Yeah, for the terrain only, right?
But why I say so is that if you scale it on all ASICs, it's going to increase
Oh yeah. You just need to click
bury
this.
some of the assets on it.
Okay, so I'll just move the
Oh shit.
I'll just move the y axis. I think this is enough. Okay, now we can add the. Oh, let's just configure the last hello. Hey, Mike, are you there?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I think.
I think you need to add more hollows
Yeah. Wait,
just to make it more
when I
fun.
adjusted the terrain, some assets are not in place.
Oh,
Wait, what do you call this? The sun dead tree. The other one, oh yeah, this one.
okay. Yeah, that means you increase the height of the terrain.
Yeah. Okay, let me find the other one. Okay, I think this is good. So we need to add more hollows.
I think it's okay.
Yeah. Okay, so let's just duplicate this. Okay, so this is the from state, then we will add the to state. Then let's make it 7.5 for the duration. You think five is enough, Mike, or more? Let's add one more here. Okay, so for the two, we just need to move it across here. Then let's just adjust the speed. So let's make it 5. Yeah, I think this is enough. We can now place the GAD asset here.
The sun god. So according to our law, a player is supposed to walk through this forest, avoid the hollows, and carry the sun god back to the temple.
Okay, let me find the asset first.
You can find the sun god.
Yeah,
Did you rename it?
Yeah, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's not included on the GLB.
Oh, it should be there.
Wait,
It's there
let me
actually.
check it. Let me check. What's the name of that asset, man?
Yeah, there's weakened sun god and there's powerful sun god. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, yeah, Aries powerful. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's one of them, and then
What's the other one?
it's not uploaded.
Weekend. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, Aries weakened,
Yeah, I need to upload
Aries
it.
weakened, and Aries powerful.
Okay.
Weakened and powerful. Yeah.
Okay, it's uploaded now. Okay, so
Right.
Iris. So the first is Iris Weekend, right?
Yeah, exactly. The one that's laying down,
Yeah.
unable to move.
Okay.
Yeah. So it has an animation there. Select animation and then keep it on autoplay. Autoplay. Autoplay and loop.
Yeah. Just need to see.
And you need to increase the scale also.
Let's make it bigger.
Yeah, maybe 1.5, I think.
Okay,
Yeah,
1.5.
bigger, 1.5.
It will be on loop and autoplay, right? Oh no.
Exactly. Yeah,
But
autoplay, yeah.
okay. Yeah, so enable collision and okay,
Okay.
so what will be the
Yeah,
components that we will be
that's all.
adding here?
Yeah, no components actually.
Okay.
Okay, except show and hide. We'll be
Okay.
adding show and hide to it.
So we will add
Uh,
show and hide here.
the, yeah, the trigger will be safe.
Okay, so it will be
Yeah, leave it as
hide,
safe.
right? Hide,
Hide. Yeah,
self,
exactly.
visible collision. Okay, interactable, trigger
Yeah,
ones.
trigger once.
Yeah, so basically that's
Sure.
it for the weekend
Perfect.
Iris, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Then what?
So guys, this is the god that got struck down from heaven. Yeah.
So we will add the Iris powerful asset.
Ah, it's powerful now.
Okay, so we will also resize
1.5.
it to 1.5.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
And
Perfect.
there's also an
So select the
animation.
animation.
It's on loop, autoplay,
Yeah.
enable collision,
Not
not autoplay.
not autoplay. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
It should be triggered by the author.
Okay, so the trigger
By
will
the author
be
is standing on.
altar.
Will
Okay,
be sacred author. Sacred author.
wait.
Yeah, is it?
Sunset. Okay.
You didn't upload that?
Yeah, I uploaded
Okay.
it. I just changed the name, but it's the sacred altar, right?
Okay.
So visible
Yeah, sure,
collision.
yeah,
Yeah.
sure, sure.
So it will be interactable, right?
Yeah, exactly. Trigger once
Interactable and
also.
trigger
And the
ones.
radius should be two.
Let's change to
Two for radius.
two.
Yeah.
Okay. So all good now. And one more thing, the halos. It will be hidden after the sun god regain his power, right? So add component, show hide. It will be hidden. The trigger entity will be Iris powerful. Hey Mike, trigger runs. So it will be interactable. Same here. Add component, show height. It will be hidden. The trigger will be Aris. Powerful, visible collision, interactable, and triggered ones. Same with the other hollows. We will just add the show and hide component for all the hollows. So it will be hidden, is powerful, visible collision, interactable, trigger ones, and this one also. Right, bigger ones. Okay, two more. Hide. R is powerful, visible collision, interactable, and trigger ones. As the last one, same thing. Visible collision, trigger ones. Okay. So what we will do next? Hey Mike, are you still there? I think we need to change the directional light, or we can put a skybox. So let's put a skybox. It should be nighttime. So let's use this. Okay. So energy, let's rotate it. Okay, so let's change the energy to negative 25. 0.5, 0.10, -7. I think -5 is enough. As for the directional light, I think we need to change it. We can add a component here, like it will be like a show height component. So it will be shown once we trigger the Aris powerful, visible collision, interactable, and trigger ones. Let's change the lighting. Okay, put shadows. Okay, then what we can do next is add an asset for the agent. So we will be putting an agent here. Let me look for the. Hey Mike, are you there? So for now, let's just save this and let's try if all the components is working. Okay, let's save it, then publish and play. I think it should be hidden. Yeah, so I think what we can do is add a component for the Iris powerful, like it will be show. There's the sound. Let's see if okay. So the teleportation is working. So let's try and okay, so it's gone now. Let's fly for now. So let's try once we interact with this. Okay, so it's spinning and all the halos. I don't know. It's not gone. By the way, we will be adding a move rotate scale for Aris. He should be going up once we interact with him. Okay, so need to change some things. By the way, Mike, are you still there? So Aris should have a component like show hide. He will show once we trigger Aris weekend, visible collision, interactable, and triggered once. And we need to add a move rotate scale. So he should fly once we interact with him. So this is the from state. And the to state should be just drag it upwards. So it will look like he's flying. Okay. Yeah, so I think that's enough. And let's try change the halos since it's not working.
I hear me now. Go shit.
Yeah, you rugged again. Yeah,
Uh,
so
my
can
it,
you
the,
yes?
yeah, the weather here is really crazy.
Yeah.
It has been raining for a while now. Wi-Fi just fucked.
Yeah, can you help
Crazy.
me about the I put a skybox here and
Okay.
I don't know what happened. It didn't go dark. So what's your suggestion here?
Uh, Wait, I'm seeing there's some yellow color on the skybox. Right. Okay, you change the rotation.
No, I think the
Yeah, put
energy.
it at zero. The rotation.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, I think we can use this, but increase the energy. Oh, no. So do we need to change the directional light? I think Mike is rugging again. So let me just edit the hollows. We need to put it a little down. And this one is not working. Okay, let's try it again. I hope it works now. Okay, so Aris is not there. So let's avoid this monsters. Those. So you can see there's the animation. So if we interact with it, oh, I forgot to put Iris. I forgot to put it on the from state. So we need to put from state. Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Save and publish and play. Oh, oh, it didn't save. Should be saved. I don't know what's happening with my. Okay, we need to edit it again. Okay, then show height will be shown. We interacted with the weekend hours. Let's see. I don't know why it is not working. Okay, let's move the dimensional line here. Yeah, so it's a little dark now. Let's try and save. Okay, save successful. Publish and play. Okay, so it's working. Okay, so Aris is not there, so we need to revive him. Let's see if it's working. Oh, okay, so it's the opposite on what we want to happen. Should be triggered from and okay, so let's try it again. Sure. Let's try it again. Okay, let's save it. Publish and play. Let's try it. I'll be cheating and fly. So we will just fix the bug. Same thing. So let's delete the move rotate scale and let's add it again. So it should be the state from the trigger will be the altar. Where's the altar? Okay, so sacred altar, visible collision, reactable, and trigger ones. So from state and that two, just need to drag it up. So I think that's enough. And don't forget to click the from state. And we need to change the trigger of the hollows. So instead of the Iris powerful, we will change it to sacred altar. Behind altar. Where is it? Okay, so let's rename the sacred altar just to make it easy to find. Let's just put a dot here. So it will be here. We'll just repeat it and do the same to the others. So the trigger of the show hide will be hidden if triggered by the sun sacred altar. Same here. Same with the others. Okay. So Iris will be shown. Show hide. Two Iris weekend once with you. Okay, let's try it again. I hope it works now. I don't know what happened to Mike. He's dragging. Okay, so let's fly for now. We don't want to get caught by those halos. Okay, so it's working now. So let's fly again. So once we interact with the sun altar, Iris will fly up and all the halos will be gone. Let's try it. Okay. Oh, it's not working. Let me configure it again. Mhm. By the way, we need to push the duration. Maybe that's why it's not working. So let's do it like 10 and all good. Okay. And this hollows is not working. I don't know why. Should be. Yo, Mike, what's happening? Okay. Right. Hmm, right. Side. Okay.
Let me go
So
shit.
yeah, I can hear you now. By the way, can you send me the asset for, or I should just prompt something? Let's use the AI of Anitya. So we can prompt like a tribal warrior. But before that, let's check if the components is working now. Okay, so publish and play. Okay, so let's try. I hope it works now. The halos should be gone once we interact with the altar. Okay, okay, so it's working now. Oh, it doesn't fly. I don't know why. And the halos is still there. It's bugging.
Yo, go shit. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I think wow, the component of the from, I mean the move rotate is bugging for Iris powerful. Let's leave it, right. Let's leave it for now. We can just prompt tribal warrior here as our agent. Let's wait and generate. Okay. Hmm, Mike is still rugging. It's taking too long. Yeah, I think it's better if we can just download for now from Sketchfab. Yeah, I think we can use this. Let's just look for a low poly one, so it will not be heavy for anitya. It's too heavy. It's too heavy. Okay, I think this one is good. Okay, let's just use this. It's not heavy for anitya. Okay, so let's just drag and drop. Can upload it. Okay, it's uploaded now. So let's add this. Let's just reduce the scale so it will not be too big for this world. Okay, so now we will be adding a component, an agent component. So this component will, it's like it is an NPC where you can ask questions regarding the world that you're building. What will be the theme and the lore of this world? So let's add it now. Okay. So we will just paste what Mike sent the Discord. Again, I can paste anything.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. By the way, the
Oh,
agent, I can't paste anything again.
oh, again?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Oh,
the
shit.
context that you put inside the Discord, I will just
Yeah.
try and paste it. So it's not working again. By the way, it's
Uh,
bugging. The move rotate scale is bugging here. The Iris powerful is not flying even if I put it in the two state, like it needs to go up, right? So let me just type a simple one for the agent. Then I hope this works. It's not still not working. me just type it out since it's not that long. Okay, bear with me, guys. Almost done. Mike, are you still there? I'm just typing it now. Can you guys see my screen? I hope you see my screen. Yeah, so I think we're done with the agent. So let's add it here. Okay, so visible collision, interactable. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so here's the agent. Let's try if it will work. Fine. Okay, it's working. Check the files. Okay, so the agent is working, guys. But we are having a bug. Like, I don't know why this banana is with me. So let's revive Aris now. Okay, so he's already there. So I hope the move rotate scale works now. Oh, it's not, still not working. The halos is still there. Still getting that bug. Let's rename this random name. Okay, so the only thing that's bugging is the move rotate scale of Aris. Powerful. I don't know why. But Mike will be dropping the world so you can play it uh, without bugs. So basically that's it. All the components are added. Some are buggy, but I think I just need to restart. So let me try and restart it. I hope it doesn't break though. Okay, so I will be closing this and let's try. I will not close the other world because if we experience some bugs, we won't start from zero. So space. Okay. I hope it works now. Okay, so let's publish. I mean preview the world. Okay, so the bug is not it's good. So there's no bug right now. So let's try if we will there will be some bugs once we interact with the Iris weekend state. So okay, so for now there's no bug. Let's try and activate Iris to make him fly. We're still getting the bug and the halos are still there. Yeah, so as you can see, as the context, like once we interact with this Iris powerful, all the halos will be gone. He will also fly upwards, and that's it. Like the player saves the whole village by helping Iris returning him to the altar. Yeah, so basically that's all for this tutorial. So the agent works. He cannot give instruction to the player how to save Iris from the forest. So I think that's it for the tutorial, guys. I will be dropping some points for those who participated. Just give me a few minutes so I can drop the code inside our Discord. Okay.